Hi, crafty friends. Guess what? I have a fun, shabby project to share with you. I know. Are you all shocked? I feel like since we've been in our new home in the mountains at 9,200 feet elevation, that maybe the elevation had something to do with the fact that I was not feeling very crafty at all. And then yesterday I set my mind to it and I created two projects this weekend, one yesterday and one today. This is the one I created today and that I wanted to share with you first. Um, I'm so happy. I know some of you have kind of been after me, and I hope you're happy too. So, this project is created with a paper collection of which I'm going to have to be back to tell you about in just a minute because I can't remember the name of this paper collection. But I purchased it from ASC Supplies on Etsy, so that's where you can pick it up. And this is an altered book. This is a book. I know a lot of people don't like you to destroy books, but this is a book that I had two copies of. It is a somewhat religious book about how to make the most out of every moment in your life as if you knew you were dying. And like I said, I have another one. So that's awesome. But anyway, that's not really that important unless it means something to you. And there is the word God here. And I love that because I believe in God. And anyway, so the choice of book that you use is very important. You don't want to use something with dark words that wouldn't be appreciated. So anyway, I am just so in love with this book that I created for one of my special subscribers, Amanda Wireman, who has been watching. Oh gosh, Amanda, is it like 5 years now? Something like that. And we did a swap where she sent me some crafty goodies and I'm sending her some crafty creations. So basically, I just take the book. I did paint the book white, and she wanted something that sat on the table. So the ones I've done in the past are ones that could hang on the wall, and she could certainly make that happen if she wanted to, pretty easily. So here is the top of the book, and basically you just shred the pages to different lengths, and then you proceed to tuck in torn pieces of the paper collection and laces and trims. It's a fun and exhilarating way to make a project very shabby and beautiful. So you've got this up at the top. Sorry about the dogs barking. Shiva. And then down at the bottom, I have these dangly beads. It's been a long time since I've had to share a project that required a lot of explanation. So I apologize. I'm a little bit rusty. I do love the castle and then the fairy princess. And then I love to do flower clusters. If you've been watching me for a while, I love flower clusters. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flowers. And then I just add sprays that you can get from any craft store. I like the ferns. To me, they lent themselves to the magical, mystical theme that was going on, to use the fern leaves. And then I used some pieces from the collection. I just cut apart and tucked in. These butterflies, I believe, are Rene Bouquet butterflies, but this blue one and this blue one are from the collection. So yeah, so there you go, Amanda. I hope you love it. I love it. I would certainly love this. And I had a lot of fun creating it. So thanks for watching. Bear with me as I get better with describing my projects. If you have any questions at all, feel free to ask in the comments below. I'm happy to answer your questions. I do create things to sell, and I would say if I was selling this, I would probably sell this for probably about 60 to $75. So if you're interested in purchasing from me, I do custom creations, and I really, really enjoy doing custom things where you can tell me what you like. You can even tell me what paper collection you like, color scheme, what have you, and then I create for you. I do mini albums, explosion boxes, altered items. I so enjoy it. So just let me know. My email's always in the description box down below. And Amanda, I can't wait to hear what you got to say. Thanks. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.